So today we are studying about the seventh nerve palsy, that is the facial nerve palsy. It consists of supranuclear part, nuclear part and infranuclear part. Anything above the nuclear level is called as upper motor neuron and the lesion is called as UMN lesion. Anything at the level of nuclear and below the level of nuclear, that infranuclear, together constitute the LMN lesion, that is lower motor neuron lesion. Okay. Now let us study how this mechanism works. This is the right side of the supranuclear part, that is the right side of the cortex. Now I have represented the nucleus, that is facial nerve nuclei, in the simpler manner. Okay. Now the right side of the cortex will control the right side of the nuclei also, and it also controls the left side nuclei also. Okay. Similarly, the left side of the cortex consists of left side of the nuclei, and it also controls the right side nuclei. Okay. Simple. Now this right upper part will control the upper right quadrant. Now the left upper part will control the left upper quadrant. Similarly, these lower parts, one part will be controlling the upper quadrant, the other part will be controlling the lower quadrant. Similarly, on the other side, the one part will be controlling the upper quadrant, the other part will be controlling the lower quadrant. Now the upper quadrants are supplied by ipsilateral nerve also and by contralateral nerve also. Similarly, ipsilateral nerve and contralateral nerve, the lower quadrant is supplied by the contralateral part, then the upper part is supplied by the contralateral as well as the ipsilateral part. So upper quadrants have dual supply, the lower quadrants have single supply. Now we will study about right side UMN lesion. Assume there is a lesion of this nerve, so the nerve here, this will also go, and the nerve supplying the contralateral will also go. So the nerve supplying the ipsilateral upper quadrant and the nerve supplying the contralateral lower as well as upper quadrant are gone, but the upper quadrant have the dual supply from the other side also. So the upper quadrant will be spared in UMN lesion, but the lower quadrant, this nerve is gone, so the lower quadrant has single supply, the lower quadrant is gone. So in right UMN palsy, the left lower quadrant is gone. So that's what I explained over here. If the left lower quadrant is gone, now we know that in the mouth, the muscle pull the angle of the mouth away. So if at all the left quadrant is gone, only the pull is from the right side, the left pull is gone, so the mouth gets deviated towards the right side. So in UMN lesions, the mouth is deviated to ipsilateral side. In LMN lesions, the mouth is deviated to contralateral side. I'll come back. Assume there is a right side LMN lesion, that is whole of this nerve is gone, so upper quadrant both supply is gone, lower quadrant supply is also gone, so half of the face is gone, so ipsilateral half of the face is gone, so this side angle of the mouth muscles are also gone, and this side levator palpebrae superioris is gone, so we will be having ipsilateral ptosis, and this side mouth muscles are gone, so there will be deviation to opposite side. So in LMN, deviation is towards the opposite side, in UMN, deviation is towards the same side. Thank you for listening. Comment 7 for notes.